Hey there, Chef Freeman, adult chicken and rice meal right here for my dog Coney. Coney's gonna be in here today. We're gonna do even a little taste test just to show you how much he loves it. But yeah, we picked this one out. I'm on a few Australian Shepherd websites on Facebook and stuff, and this is one that everyone recommended. Basically, they made this with natural probiotic fiber, and also this has the correct ratio of protein to fats. So basically, your dog can easily digest this and maintain a good ideal body condition. And also this has omega-6s, which helps with nourishing the skin and the coat. This also has crunchy and tender and shredded pieces, so basically it has a good ratio. It's not all crunch. And what's cool on here, you can see on the bag itself, it tells you the ingredients. Obviously it has to tell you that, but literally chicken is the first item listed, followed by rice. So you know that's primarily what's inside of here, and then it also tells you the percentages of protein and fiber and all that good stuff. And another thing that I really like about this is it has a nice chart here on the back. If you're ever unsure as to how much your dog should be eating, it shows you based on their weight how much they should be eating. So very happy with that. And the one other thing that I wanted to show you guys is that I know sometimes people can be concerned with getting fresh dog food delivered. I've seen that in the reviews, and this one on mine, I just got it in today. Today is what, July 10th or something like that. But basically I can use this all the way until December 2022, so I know it's going to be good for a long time. And finally, certainly least but not, whatever the saying is, last but not least, Coney's going to eat some. I spilled some on there. There you go, he's eating it up. He could not wait to do it. And in this container, and then we also have an automatic pet feeder, and Coney's trying to be featured. He's looking for more food on the ground there. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.